The future of financial advising is digital. If you're still pushing paperwork, updating spreadsheets, and manually following up on important dates, you're not just wasting time, you're missing opportunities. Meet Cloven, the all-in-one CRM built for Canadian financial advisors who want to work smarter and grow faster. Cloven centralizes your practice, giving you a complete view of every client, instantly. Manage policies, track renewals, and stay compliant in one powerhouse platform that keeps your pipeline full, your clients engaged, and your revenue growing.
We were with a glorified Rolodex, if you will. What Cloven's provided is to streamline our processes with everything in one spot and the ease of access to information. It's really been an integral part of our push to get bigger and to get better.
No more dropped leads, no more forgotten renewals, just smooth, automated workflows that keep your business moving forward. Elevate client interactions with tools like Cloven's Portfolio Summary that can be automatically generated and sent when you want. While other advisors are buried in admin work, Cloven helps you close more deals, onboard clients faster, service clients smarter, and scale your business like a pro.
And then for the team perspective, sharing of information between people in our organization, considering a very remote working world, cuts down on time in between getting those answers that they need and getting that information out to our clients.
Detailed family and client profiles elevate advisor intelligence and build stronger relationships. Leverage advanced analytics to identify trends and opportunities.
The way that I would say our business has changed is now we have more insights. I'm able to dive into the details of our business, our book, and dissect it in a way that makes me understand where our business is coming from, where we should strategically double down, and where it doesn't make sense for us to continue to pursue. And so the insights have actually helped us build a better winning strategy for our business.
One login, more than 50 digital tools that integrate seamlessly so you can focus on what really matters, your clients and your bottom line.
One of the things that drew us to Cloven was our ability to replace our existing tech stack with Cloven products. Cloven products were really good for us to implement across our organization for efficiency, our ability to service clients, track data, pull insights. In general, it's been a great help for our business.
Intuitive and easy to use, Cloven makes it easy for Canadian advisors to scale and modernize your operations and feel confident with Cloven on your side.
One of the things we're really proud of here at Cloven is we've been in this industry, financial services, for almost a decade. We're a Canadian team focused on Canadian advisors. When you have a question or you're worried about your system, you can call someone who's focused on enhancing the product for Canadians.
What if your CRM actually helped you grow? Cloven. Work smarter, grow faster. Take Cloven for a test drive today. No commitment, just results.